Hi everybody, I have a project that I want to show you today. This is not my design. This is from Tamra at Country Craft Creations, and I will link to her tutorial. And this is so much fun. It is a box and an album, and I just wanted you to see it. So as you can see on the top there is a wreath, and we'll talk a little bit more about that. And then this is a big box. Hang on. It's like 5 3/4 square by 8 3/8 tall, something like that. Okay, so mine, as you can tell by the title, and I'm going to show you, and look how big it is. I hope it's in the screen. Is a 4-season box. So on this side, and I used scraps. I went and I grabbed scraps from all my projects throughout the last year or so, and use those for this. So here is the side that is spring, here is summer, and fall, and winter. And actually I put the base on wrong last time. Those are not lined up properly. Hang on, I'll show you. We'll put it back together right after we look at it. Okay, so top comes off, and you'll see what I mean when we take this apart. Okay, so here's the top. Okay, and the top is decorated as a 4-season wreath. Okay, so there's that. And then the bottom comes off, and that's how I got it on wrong last time. Set that aside. And then, let me get these out of the way. This is so big. Alright, so then it opens up, and you have this 4-season album that holds so many pictures. It's like it's more of a folio than an album, but so what we have, and I use this big wide organza ribbon, which I love. It was from my stash. So we have this waterfalls. Put this where you can hopefully see it. And again, I used all scraps from all the various collections I'd used. And that one's the base. Okay, so that's like that. This gets tied. This was so fun to make. I really loved it. I want to make another one. And there's a smaller one. It's a different video, but I made the big one. And then we have this one. That's summer. So spring, summer. And here's fall. And I didn't, as you can see, I did not use the same collection for each season. I just used whatever scraps I had that seemed to fit the theme. Okay, so there's fall. So this one and this one are the same, and this one and this one are the same. And it goes together really quickly. And then here is winter. Okay, and this, by the way, is a pocket, which I don't think I showed you. So that's pocket, and that's pocket. Okay, and then it just goes together. And this time we'll put it together correctly. Okay, so I know that the plaid is the winter. This actually goes together pretty easily, but I'm futzing with it. Okay, there we go. Alright, so then that just goes like that. Just make a great gift for somebody. And then this goes like that, and you can see there's the winter, and I've got winter flowers here, sort of going into spring, going into more summery colors, and then fall. So that's how I did my cover. Isn't that cute? It was so fun to make. So I will link the tutorial for this down below, because again, this is not mine. I used Tamra's tutorial to make it, and you'll have so much fun making this. I loved it. And of course, you don't have to do it 4 seasons like I did. You can do it however you like. But anyway, so I just wanted to share it with you. I hope you enjoyed it. And I have a new project coming up, a design team project. It's really cute, I think. Pretty anyway. More pretty probably than cute. But anyway, so that is coming soon. And I will see you very shortly. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. It really helps. If you have, thank you so much. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.